Basic things necessary for makeup, starting with eyes. Eyeliner from Sugar. Sugar Kajal. And mascara from Sugar. On lip care, the lip gloss from Renee. Shade Pink Pow Wow. Sweet Lip Oil. Shade 202. Vaseline Lip Balm. It's my favorite. Exfoliator from Khadi Naturals. Toner from Kama. Nail polish from different brands and nail remover from K Beauty. Nykaa. Swiss Beauty. Nail polish remover. For face wash, face moisturizer and sunscreen. Face cleanser, moisturizer from Neutrogena. Sunscreen from Neutrogena. Cuticle oil from Khadi.